Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Audi A6 3.0 versus full comparison. Pay attention to performance, comfort, and ownership costs as we break down real driving impressions, tech features, and maintenance expectations. I will point out where the 3.0 excels and where compromises show, and I will highlight practical considerations like cargo space and service intervals to help you decide with confidence. Expect lively throttle response from the 3.0 engine paired with smooth shifts and immediate torque that makes merging simple. Steering feels precise, while adaptive dampers tune the ride from cushion to composed at the twist of a dial. Braking is reliable and predictable, and the car maintains comfort on long drives without sacrificing agility when you want a more engaging feel behind the wheel. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers because they make meal prep easier when you're balancing work, errands, and car care. You'll find the product link and more deals in the description, which is great if you want to try them out. Thanks for checking that. Now let's get back to the video. Interior comfort is a highlight, with roomy seating, premium materials, and excellent sound insulation for relaxed cruising. The infotainment system is intuitive, supports common apps, and responds well to voice commands for safer operation. Climate control and seat adjustments let you tailor comfort quickly, and thoughtful storage keeps essentials organized so longer trips feel effortless and enjoyable for driver and passengers alike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.